Find or read reviews that people are talking about ADOOPE, USB-C, wired over-ear headphones with mic. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. USB-C connectivity for modern devices, equipped with a USB-C connector for seamless audio transmission, compatible with the latest smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Hi-Fi stereo sound quality, experience rich, high-fidelity audio with powerful bass and crisp treble, perfect for music enthusiasts and gamers alike. Noise-isolating over-ear design, soft ear cups envelop your ears to block out ambient noise, providing an immersive listening experience without distractions. One-size-fits-all, adjustable headband and plush ear cushions ensure a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions at home, work, or on the go. Durable and tangle-free cable, features a robust, tangle-resistant cable for long-lasting durability and hassle-free use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.